Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and even outsmart us. Intrigued? Let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial general intelligence. Ever wondered what it would be like if machines could think and learn just like humans? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just follow programmed instructions, but rather possesses the ability to reason, to adapt, to handle a broad spectrum of tasks, much like we do. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy. This is the realm of artificial general intelligence, a hypothetical yet highly anticipated leap in AI technology that could revolutionize everything industry to daily life. Well, welcome to the world of artificial general intelligence, a world where machines might one day outsmart us. So what exactly is artificial general intelligence? Let's break it down in terms we can all grasp. Picture an AI like the one in your smartphone, the one that helps you find the best route home or recommends the next song to play. Now imagine that AI leveled up with the ability to learn and think like a human. That's AGI, or artificial general intelligence. It's not just about following programmed instructions or learning from patterns. AGI takes it a step further. It can reason just like you and me, making sense of complex situations and even formulating arguments. But that's not all. AGI is like a chameleon, adapting to new environments and challenges. It doesn't just work in one specific area. It can handle a broad range of tasks. Whether it's solving a math problem or composing a symphony, AGI could do it all. What sets AGI apart from traditional AI is its requirement for self-awareness and consciousness. It's like having the ability to look in the mirror and understand that it's looking at itself. It's conscious of its existence and its actions, much like us humans. In essence, AGI is the upgraded version of AI, designed to replicate human intelligence in machines. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's closer to reality than we might think. Now that we understand what AGI is, you might be wondering, what could this mean for us? Well, when we think about the potential of artificial general intelligence, we're looking at a world where complex problems that baffle even the brightest human minds could be solved in a snap. Imagine a machine capable of cracking the code of unsolvable mathematical problems, or creating innovative solutions to pressing global issues like climate change. Moreover, AGI could automate tasks that currently require human abstract thinking. This isn't just about streamlining manufacturing or customer service. It's about machines stepping into roles you'd never dream they could. Picture a world where intricate surgeries are performed by an AI with a flawless track record, where creative industries are revolutionized by AI artists who never run out of ideas, or where strategic planning is handled by an AI that can predict trends with uncanny accuracy. And let's not forget the potential impact on various industries, from healthcare to finance, from transportation to entertainment. There's hardly an industry that wouldn't be transformed by AGI. It could lead to advancements we can barely begin to imagine, creating efficiencies and possibilities that could reshape the world as we know it. Of course, this isn't to say that AGI is a magic bullet. Like any powerful tool, it comes with its own challenges and risks. But the potential, it's staggering. AGI could revolutionize not just technology but our entire way of life. Exciting or terrifying? Maybe a bit of both. But with great power comes great responsibility, right? As we delve into the potential of artificial general intelligence, we must also address the not-so-rosy side of the coin. The risks associated with AGI are substantial and warrant serious consideration. One of these risks lies in the realm of data bias. Just like humans, AGI learns from the data it's fed. But what happens when this data is skewed or biased? The result could be an AGI that unwittingly perpetuates harmful stereotypes or makes decisions based on inaccurate information. In the worst-case scenario, this could lead to unjust outcomes in critical sectors like healthcare, law enforcement, or financial services. Now, let's shift our attention to the ethical concerns. As AGI mimics human intelligence, it blurs the line between machine and human consciousness. This raises a plethora of ethical questions. For instance, if AGI has consciousness, does it have rights? If it makes a mistake, who's to blame? And perhaps most importantly, how do we ensure that AGI aligns with our human values and morals? These concerns underscore the importance of caution and control in AGI's development and application. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we must ensure that safeguards are in place to manage AGI's power. We must also foster an ongoing dialogue about the ethical norms that should guide AGI's behavior. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must remember to tread carefully, because the question isn't just can we create AGI, but also how should we use it? So, we've journeyed through the captivating world of artificial general intelligence. We've uncovered its potential, explored its impact, and grappled with its risks. AGI, in its full glory, presents us with an exciting yet challenging landscape. It's a double-edged sword that can revolutionize our world, or, if mishandled, could lead to unintended consequences. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, our understanding of AGI becomes crucial, because the more we know, the better we can navigate the opportunities and challenges it brings. And that, dear viewers, is a wrap on artificial general intelligence. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, keep questioning, and join us in our next video as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the technological world. Until then, take care and keep innovating.